Hello friend, this is VJ back again with a new interesting video, and in this video of mine we'll do unboxing plus have a review with sound test of this JBL Bluetooth speaker, and it comes from the JBL Flip series and it is also known as JBL Flip 3. So guys, watch this video properly till end in order to know everything about it, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below this video in order to get more interesting videos like this. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's start this video. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this JBL box and I must say that the box is very solid and strong. On the front of the box there is JBL Flip 3 written on the box on the top, as you can see, and also there is a picture of this JBL Flip 3. And on the right hand side of the box there are some features listed of this Bluetooth speaker, which includes 10 hours of playback time, speakerphone, that means it has a microphone, and it is a splash proof Bluetooth speaker. And on the left hand side of the box, the pricing written on the box is 11,990 rupees, but I bought it from Flipkart during Big Billion Days and it cost me around 4,200 rupees only, which includes 10% off on SBI card plus 20% cashback on PhonePe app. And I will provide the Best Buy links of this Bluetooth speaker in the description box below, so make sure you go to the description and check out the Best Buy links because this offer might come in future again. So now let's quickly open this box and let's see what all do we get inside in this box. So guys, these are the all things which you get inside this box, and let's quickly have a look on each of them. And here are some paperwork which includes user manual, warranty card and some other precautions which you have to take while using this Bluetooth speaker. And there is this orange color micro USB to USB cable, and I don't know why they gave orange color as the Bluetooth speaker is made out of black color. So now this is the Bluetooth speaker itself, and my first impression was like, finally I have a JBL Flip 3 in my hand now. All thanks to Flipkart for providing such a great deal. It is cylindrical in shape and there is a JBL branding on the center, as you can see. The older version, that is JBL Flip 2, was basically made out of plastic, but this JBL Flip 3 is made out of splash proof fabric material that not only looks better but it also gives a better grip to hold it. And it also has a string attached, so you can easily hang it in your bathroom or from your backpack on a hike. And its size is also not that big, making it more portable, so you can easily carry it around during your trips without having an issue of water or something, as it is made out of splash proof material. And now talking about the buttons, Flip 3 has all them embedded in the fabric of the speaker and also on the hard plastic portion on the back. The Bluetooth pairing button, volume controls and the call, answer and end buttons are all found along the side of the speaker, bending into this fabric. And beside this fabric button we have this power button plus the JBL connect button, which allows you to connect to various multiple JBL speakers at a time. And under that there are 5 LEDs which will show you how much battery is remaining on your device. And further down you will find the AUX input and the micro USB charging port hidden under the sealed flap, as you can see. And make sure to close this sealed flap whenever you are taking your Bluetooth speaker in water. And on the end we have this extra rubber coated surface which ensures rough use for outdoors. And also on the end we have these dual passive external radiator, which definitely adds clarity in the lows and the mids of this Bluetooth speaker. And also there is JBL written on these external radiators. And using the Bluetooth version 4.1 of my Xiaomi's Redmi Note 4, this JBL Flip 3 was giving me a range of about 30 to 40 feet easily without any interruption in the music. And also I took some calls in between with the microphone of this Bluetooth speaker, and I must say that the microphone quality was superb. This JBL Flip 3 is powered by 3000 mAh of battery and the company claims to have a battery backup of 10 hours, but on my personal testing I got almost 12 to 13 hours with 30 to 50% volume. And the battery backup of any device is directly proportional to the volume. If you listen to high volume, there will be a low battery backup, and if you listen to low volume, then you will get a good and better battery backup. I used the 5 volt at 1.5 ampere charger to charge this Bluetooth speaker, and it took almost 2 to 3 hours to charge this device fully. This JBL Flip 3 has a total RMS value of 10 watt. So let's quickly check the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker. So now in the next portion, I will advise you to use earphones to get the best sound quality experience.
Come to the dark side. I have you now.
Running like a Hellcat.
So now talking about the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker, the lows are nice as you get an extra rich bass with such a small size speaker. And the external bass radiator does a great job. Even at very high volume, there is very less distortion in this Bluetooth speaker. I must say that the distortion is negligible. And the mids were little bit muddy, not that much, so it does not affect the experience of the sound quality you get. The highs are perfect but gets a little harsh when maxed out, but if you keep it slightly under maximum volume, it is perfect. So the sound quality is perfect with this small portable Bluetooth speaker, and the JBL have always sounded good, but now it has external bass radiator that really add depth to the lows. That is, it increases the bass of this Bluetooth speaker. So guys, this is a fully paisa vasool product for this price range, and I will provide the Best Buy links of this Bluetooth speaker in the description below. So make sure you go to the description and check out the Best Buy links to get the best price out of the market. So guys, this was all about this video, and I hope so you like this video, and if so, smash that like button, and if you have any kind of queries, you can just comment down in the comment section below. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. Also, you can get connected to me over Facebook and Instagram, and I will provide the link for the same in the description below. So guys, this is VJ signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.